let's start. So first thing, table. I'll call out names one by one, and you'll be the last one to tell because you made a mistake. Sohita, start. Table till
5.
4 8
4 8 32.
3 9
27.
2 8
16.
5 9
45.
3 8
24.
5 6
35.
30. 5 7 35. Okay. Now Rehan, ready? Table till
4.
4 3 5
15.
4 6
18.
4 6
25. 21. 24.
24. 3 9
27.
4 8
Huh?
4 8
32.
Praneet, don't make sound. That is, yeah, 4 8 32. Okay, when you are not talking, probably you can go on mute, so that way, there is no background noise. Okay, 3 7
21.
Good job. But what did we observe? You need practice. You certainly need practice, okay? So you have to spend 10 minutes. 5 minutes is probably not working. 10 minutes every day, okay? Alright. So Praneeth, ready?
Yep.
Table till
Tables up till 9.
9. Keep your video on. I was only talking about the audio. Okay. So 9 is little too much. Let's see. Probably I'll check till 7, and then if you do wonderful, then I'll go to 8 and 9. Okay. 5 7
5 times 7 equals 35.
4 9
4 times 9 equals 36.
5 8
5 times 8 equals 40.
So what you can do, Praneeth, is don't repeat that. Okay. If I say 5 8 so you think in your mind and tell me 40. Okay. I don't want to hear 5 times 8. Okay. You just tell me 40. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Because that is how you will do sum, right? When you are doing problems, you will see 5 8 you will write 40. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this. 6 5
30.
5 7
35.
6 9
6 9. 54.
7 3
21.
7 9
7 times 63.
6 8
49. 48.
Good job. So you know table till 7, okay? Let's not go to 8 and 9. Till 7, what I want you to do, Praneeth, is practice it every day 5 minutes. And now it should be like, if I say 6 8 48, 7 9 63, 5 9 45, 4 8 32. It should start coming like that.
Actually, once I say it, I quickly get the answer and then answer it.
Right, no, I'm saying...
Just like 5 times 8, whatever.
No, I know that, but I'm just trying to minimize the time, okay? If I say 5 8 you say 5 8 40. So that is 2 seconds. I'm trying to cut down 1 second, and you say 5 8 40. So we are saving 1 second. And that time that you save will help you do math faster, okay? That's what we are trying to practice, okay? So 5 minutes daily. So Sohita, Praneeth and Rehan have told their tables. Everybody has done a good job, but practice, okay? Math is all about practice. Okay, you. Table till 7. I'm not going anywhere. 7. 6 5
30.
5 9
45.
6 9
54.
4 8
32.
6 8 ja.
48.
7 3 ja.
28.
7 3 ja.
28. 21.
That's why I repeated. 7 9 ja.
63.
So you know tables. I want you to practice. And that time it takes, the 2 seconds that you're taking to think, I want to cut down on that effort. Okay, that's not only for you, for everybody, right? Everybody, I told the same thing. That if you're taking 4 5 ja 20, that pause that you have when you say it, that's what we are trying to cut down, because once you minimize that time, you'll be able to do things faster. Now, to you, Yug, whatever I said to mommy on the video, I will remove that part, okay? I'm not going to say that. But if I am being considerate, I want you to be sensible also. You cannot keep on repeating the same mistakes. If I say something and you show me this shoulder, that is disrespect. When you move your shoulder, that means you don't care. And I don't like that statement, I don't care. Because I care. Okay? So don't show me this. I said, no, don't make mistake. You said, no, not acceptable at all. Okay? Not only for you, for everybody. If you ask me a question, sir, how do you work this out? And I say, that means I don't care. And that is not something that we will entertain in this class. Okay, let's start. What do you see on the board? Oh, you guys don't want to learn all these, right? Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine.
So, do you guys remember what we were? Do you guys? Okay. So, what I would request you guys is make sure that for next 45 minutes, no background noise, no sound, no disturbance. Now, what did we learn in the last class? Pranith would not remember because he was not in the class, but what you guys remember? What we were learning in the last class?
Money.
Money and time. Yeah? So, everybody knows what is a dollar, what is a cent. Pranith, do you know how much, which one is bigger, a dollar or a cent?
Yeah, at school we had tests at the math test at the King Buddy, so
Yeah.
I know.
So, no, I want to know, I mean, just answer my question. If I tell you that 50 cents or $1, which one is bigger?
$1. $1.
Okay, why so?
Because penny is the half of $1 because $1 is 100 pennies, four quarters or
Okay.
two half dollars. I don't know how many, and 20 nickels.
Okay. Okay, let's see what Rehan has to say. Yeah. Rehan was saying something.
There's 100 pennies, and so
100 is
200 penny will be $2. If you make $100 penny, you'll get $1.
okay. So, yeah, Sohita, what do you know? I'll come. Hands down. I'll come to everybody. We have only 4 kids. So between $1 and 50 cents, which one is bigger, Sohita? Do you know?
$1 because it's 50 cents is half of $1.
Okay.
And dollar is 100
Cents or pennies, yeah.
The bigger one is $1 because 100 cents equals $1.
Yeah.
At 4 quarters.
So let's so I know that you guys know what is a quarter, what is a dollar. Let's not go there. See, the question is very straightforward. Which one is bigger, 50 cents or $1? Your answer is yes, $1 is bigger, and I agree. Because $1 means 100 cents or pennies, whatever you call it. So if you have to compare between 50 cents and 100 cents, obviously you know that 100 cents is bigger. Correct? Yeah?
Yep. Got it.
Yep. Got it. Alright. Now, so let's look at the different denominations that we deal with, okay? And you guys can correct me if I go wrong anywhere. What we know is a dollar. Then you have quarters. Quarters. Then you have nickel. Then you have dime. And then you have cents. Now tell me, $1 is 100 cents. 1 quarter is 25 cents. How much is 1 nickel?
10.
10. Pranit, you agree?
No, it's 25.
No, quarter is 25 cents. I'm saying nickel.
5.
Nickel is 5 cents. Okay? And how much is a dime?
10.
10 cents. And then cent is a cent.
So what's cent?
So basically, if you look at the size, if you have $1, 100 cents, 1 quarter is 25 cents, meaning 1/4 of a dollar. If you break $1 into 4 pieces, that 1 piece is a quarter. I mean, don't break the note to cut to 4 pieces, and that will not become a quarter. It's the value. Okay. Now, then comes dime. 1 dime is 10 cents. Then 1 nickel is 5 cents, and 1 cent is 1 cent. Now, this is only from cent to dollar. Put 5 cents together, that becomes 1 nickel. Put 10 cents together, becomes 1 dime. Put 25 cents together, becomes 1 quarter. Put 100 cents together, that becomes $1. But then, this is only the breakdown after dollar. Anything above dollar goes with the same thing, like the number system that we know. Okay? Then you have unit, then you have tens, then you have hundreds, then you have thousand. Let's stop at 1,000, okay? We're not going beyond that. So in this unit, let's say if I say $110, what do I mean? 100 of a dollar, 110 of a dollar, and 0 unit of a dollar. Okay? If I say $578, meaning 8 units of a dollar, meaning 8 $1 note, 7 tenths of a dollar, that makes it 70, and then 5 hundredths of a dollar. So imagine if you are given $578, what people will give you? They will give you $500 note, then they will give you 7 $10 note, and then 8 $1 note. That is how it is: 8 units, 7 tenths, and 5 hundredths. So like the units that we know, here. The units that we know, that remains the same. The cents and the quarter that we saw, that is before this unit. When you break $1 into smaller pieces, that is where you have quarters, nickel, dime, and cents. Okay. So this unit, the unit place or place value remains as is, whatever we have learned. The cents or quarters is before the unit. So basically, when you are talking about a smaller value less than $1, that is when cents and quarters come into play. Yeah. So if you go to, let's say, if you go to a grocery store and you try buying like Xbox, you again same thing. Why same thing again? You will not repeat your mistakes unless you want me to repeat my mistakes. I am here not to scold you guys, I am here to teach you guys. But if you give me reason to scold, I have no choice. And I need to inform the parents also that yeah, your child is not doing good. So, don't repeat. Be 100% in the class, follow the basic instructions. I am not saying anything complicated, okay? Now, let's say you go to a grocery store, you go to Walmart and try buying a toy. The price of the toy is, let's say, $178.35. How will you arrange this much money? What all notes you will have? Assume you don't have credit card, okay? You are giving cash. How you can manage this money? Yeah.
178 will be $1. Borrow from someone.
Don't give me
8 pennies.
that answer. I'm saying, well, you have a lot of money. I'm just saying, you have to just figure out how will you arrange the money.
You have to give.
You have to give how? What will you give? You have to give exactly this much. You cannot give more.
178.
Okay. So let's hear what Praneeth has to say. I'll come back to you. Yeah, Praneeth.
So in 178, isn't $1 7 dimes and 8 pennies, and so 35 it's 3 dimes and 5 pennies.
Yeah, I mean you can choose what all notes you want to give. So yeah, Sohita, you're thinking, how will you arrange? How will you give this money to the store? And you don't have to give credit card. You have to use cash. What all notes you will give? Think about it. Okay, you tell me.
$178.35.
How? What all notes you will give?
I will buy stuff. I'll just buy stuff.
Don't give me
you
answer
have to
to-
do it expanded form.
Yeah, expanded form. So basically that's the answer I was looking for. You have to look at this one has how many hundreds, how many tens, how many units, and then how many cents. Correct? How many hundreds do you have?
100.
So give $100 note. That is one. Okay? Now you have only given 100. You have to still give 78 and 35. So you will give how many tens you have? 7 tens. So $7 $10 currency you will give. So that becomes
Is
yeah.
that a $100 bill or is that a $1 bill?
It's a $100 bill. Because look at this, 178.35. If you give $1 bill, you will not get your stuff. Yeah? So
I
see,
kind of got a little confused with that.
right. So see, you guys are learning how will you do shopping when you grow up. Right? So if you will give $100 bill, then 7 $10 bill. You're just looking at the place value. 7 tens you have. So 7 $10 bill. Then 8 units. So you will give 8 $1 bill. Yeah? So now 100 plus 70 plus 8. 178 you have given. You cannot buy it still. You have to give 35 cents more. How will you give 35 cents? How will you give 35 cents?
35 cents.
You will give 30 cents.
No.
3 times
Uh-huh.
5 pennies.
30.
To give 35 cents, you will give 3 dimes and 5 pennies.
Exactly. Yeah. Now you tell me what was your answer?
Or you can give a nickel.
I would say you will give 30 pennies and 5
Pennies.
quarters.
5 quarters? No.
I mean dollars.
Okay. So think. Take a deep breath. Calm down.
And 5 pennies.
Yeah.
You get 30 penny and 1 nickel.
30 penny and 1 nickel. That works, but do we carry that many pennies always? 30 pennies, 1 nickel. See, what you deal with always is, here you have to look at, Sohita is saying something?
Yeah. 3 dimes and 5
Nickels.
5.
5 cents. Okay, or 5 pennies. Yeah, that also works. See, you have to remember one thing. The shopkeeper, the shopkeeper or the storekeeper is not dealing with only us. They are dealing with hundreds of customers like us every day, or maybe more. If you keep on giving 30 pennies or 35 pennies, he will not have enough space to keep that many coins. So you have to always look at how you can give smaller number of coins to make it faster. I mean, I'm not saying that giving 35 pennies is not a good idea. You can do that. If you have that many pennies, you can do that. But look at this. If you have 35, how many? If you just look at 35, so you can give 30 and 5. Yeah, 30 and 5. So when Sohita was saying 30 I can give as 3 dime. That will make 30, right? 1 dime is 10 cents. If I give 3 dimes, that makes it 30 cents. Yeah, Pranit.
If you don't want to do 5 pennies and make more space, you can do like a nickel or something.
Yeah. So that's what I'm coming to. So you can give 3 dimes and 5 pennies. That is one option. Or you can say, I have to give 35. How I can give? 25 plus 10. Will that work?
Yeah.
25 is 1 quarter. And 10 is 1 dime. Done. That is an option.
Or you can give 50, 15 and 20.
Yeah, I mean, you can.
give like
So let me do one thing.
3.
Let me make you buy one more stuff. Okay? So this time you went to buy. So everybody here, okay? So remember this. 1 quarter is 25, 1 dime is 10, 1 nickel is 5, $1 is 100, right? Now let's say you want to buy something for $78.55. Now tell me what all bills you will give. Everybody has only one option, everybody, okay? So you are ready? Okay, let's see what Rehan has to say. I'll come to you, Pranit. And Sohita, you also be ready. $78.55. Yeah.
You could get 7 dimes and 8 pennies.
No, this is dollars. $78.55. Giving dime will not work. This is dollar. See.
You could get $7, $10, and $8.
7 $10 bill and 8 $1 bill. Okay. How about this part?
You could get 5 dimes and 1 nickel.
5 dimes and 1 nickel. Okay. Yeah. 5 dime. So I got one answer as $7 $10 bill, 8 $1 bill, 5 dime and 1 nickel. Okay. This is one option. Now Pranit will give me another option where he doesn't repeat the same thing. Now you tell me, Pranit, how will you do
I
this?
say we could do 7. I mean not 7. $6.
$6.
$6 and $6 and 18 $1.
$6 $10
And 8 $1. 18 $1.
Okay. What else you will do?
For the 55, I do 45 cents. 44. I do 4 times. I do 45 times. No, wait, 45 times.
45 cents?
No, not 45 cents. I do 9 nickels and 1 dime.
Okay. 1 dime. Okay. So you gave me a different answer and that is matching. This works, but here you have to carry a lot of $1 bill, okay? But the answer is correct. Yeah, you tell me.
For the $78, I would do $50.
What $50?
$50.
$51?
Yeah.
Okay.
$51 and $21.
What is that?
$21.
$51 and then?
No, I said $50, not 51.
There's no bill I have seen which is $50, okay?
51 and $19.
Now you write it on the notebook and then so tell me. Okay. So Ita, what will be your breakdown? And you don't have to be very different. I mean, you can keep some things common. That's okay. Tell me.
78 is $7 $10.
Okay.
And 8 is
$1.
$1.
Okay.
Then the cents are 50 two quarters, then 1 nickel.
Wonderful. I was waiting to hear this answer as well. See, when you have to give 55, you make 50 with 2 quarters and then just add 1 nickel. That makes it 55. So, because you don't want to carry a lot of coins to make your pocket heavy, right? People carry credit cards. Since you guys don't have credit card, I mean, I'm saying for kids, there is no credit card, right? So I'm saying you have to carry cash. And you don't want your pocket to be so heavy that your pants start sliding down. Right? Right? So don't keep your pocket so very heavy. For every time you go to a store to buy something, you will end up holding your pants with one hand to walk into the store. Right? So that's why you have to always balance how much coin you want to carry. Yeah? Pranit, that can happen, right? If you keep a lot of coins in your pocket and you don't have a belt, it's a problem.
Yeah, like if you have like if you need $1 for something little, you're not and you carry 100 pennies.
Yeah, correct. So imagine a situation, right? Again, I'm not trying to be a racist here, but you would see a lot of kids having their pants almost halfway through, right? Their pants is almost down. And imagine those kids have to pay $50, okay? And they are carrying only pennies. That means they'll be carrying 50 into 100. 5,000 pennies, okay? See how heavy the pocket will become and where will the pant go?
Right down.
Yeah.
Slide right down.
Okay, so that was the lighter part of what we are learning. So it's very important for us to understand. Yeah. No, okay, I'll come to you. So what I'm trying to say is, whether we pay by credit card or by cash, we have to always make sure that we keep the right denomination or right bills to pay the amount. Let's say if you go for buying a TV which is coming for $1,000, would you carry $1,001 bill? No. The shopkeeper will get really mad because he also has to count 1,000 times. He'll say you are buying a TV and you are giving $1 bill. Right? So you have to pick the right denomination always. Okay? Yeah. Now tell me what is your answer.
$51.
So this is where the pants will slide. Why would you see? You have to pay 78. See, you have to pay 78. 78. It is $51. It becomes $51. Then 15. What is this dollar? Why these two are different then? 51 and 15. This is not adding up. This is not adding up. That's the problem. So you are getting the joke, but you are not getting the serious part of it. Now, if I have to pay $78, okay, and I don't want, I forgot to put my belt that day. What will I do? I'll make sure that my pants are not very heavy, right? So $78.55. What I can, apart from what all options you guys gave me, I can also say I can put three $20 bill. That makes it 60. Yeah, and then I can keep three $5 bill. That makes it another 15. So this is 75. And I keep three $1 bill. That makes it 78. And then probably I will go for 2 quarter. Makes it 50 cents. And then one nickel. Makes it 5 cents more. So this becomes 78. So you can choose different guys, Rehan and Yug here. You guys can be very good friends after the class, not in the class.
He keeps pulling this for some reason.
You are so innocent and he is naughty. Is that correct? You both are naughty, I know. So Rehan will not do that, and you focus on this thing. You have a serious focus problem. I want you to fix that quickly before it gets very late. Now, let's look at one more. This time, think. I want you to think. You cannot give me that kind of answer. That will not work because you will end up going to a store with less money and you will not be able to buy that. Okay? Now, let's say you go for buying something for $785 and 69 cents. So this is the price of the thing. Let's say you are buying Xbox and the price is $785.69. 69. $785.69. Now tell me what are the bills that you will use. Okay?
And you could get
I will come to you, Praneeth. Yeah.
one $700.
There is no $700 bill.
You can get
So can you do one?
7 cents.
No, do one thing. Write it down on your notebook and then tell me, okay? Yeah, Praneeth, tell me.
I was thinking that if you do three $20 bill and one $10 bill and five and
No, remember this.
it was
No.
$1 bills.
No, I'm just trying to confirm if you have got the right number here. I'm talking about 785.69.
Oh, I might have been saying the answer for the last one.
No, so that one is done. Let's move on to the next one. Last time you were buying a shoe for $70. This time you are buying an Xbox for $785.
So I'd rather do $100. Like three $200. Is there something called $200?
I have not seen till date.
Okay, then I might not. Then I might not say it. I'll just say $100 bills.
Okay. Okay.
Is there a thing called
Three.
$70 bill?
No.
What is that?
Is there something called a $70 bill?
No. Nope.
Anything?
No, so whatever you know, try doing that first. There's nothing called $70 bill, $75 bill.
Four $20 bills.
Okay. 4 $20 bill. Okay.
And one and a $5 bill.
One $5 bill. Okay. Okay. How about the cents?
Cents, I would do 6 dimes.
6
times.
6 dimes.
One nickel and 4 cents.
Okay. 4 cents. Okay, let's see what Rehan has to say. Are you guys cold? Now you go and hug the heater. That's the only way you can stay warm. Okay, Sohita, doing it. See, I'm just trying to figure out how soon you guys can grow up and be of some help to your parents when it comes to buying something. And you'll be able to buy without wasting your parents' hard-earned money only if you understand how to break it down. I mean, not only this number, I'm saying any number that you come across, you should know what all you need to give. Otherwise, the shopkeeper will either be very happy because you gave extra money, or the shopkeeper will be super mad because you gave less money. Tell me. Not in it. So, okay. Now, let me give you guys the simplest formula here. The best approach. The simplest approach. See, one thing you need to know is what are the different bills available, okay? So now everybody, Praneeth, Sohita, Yug, Rehan, everybody, pay attention here. Leave that question for now, okay? Now, you need to know what are the different bills that we mostly deal with. When you look at dollar bills, the biggest dollar bill I have seen here, mostly in use, is $100. There's nothing bigger than that, at least to my knowledge. Okay? Then you have $20 bill. Then you have $10 bill. Then you have $5 bill. Then you have $1 bill. So these are the dollar bills you have. And then when you look at cents, you have 25 cents as 1 quarter, 10 cents as 1 dime, 5 cents as 1 nickel, and 1 cent. Okay? These are the only denominations or the bills or the coins we have. All that, hands down. All the calculation, all the payments you do, you can do only with these bills. I heard a question where somebody was asking me, do we have $70 bill? Do we have $68 bill? Do we have $13 bill? Answer is absolute no. The bills that we have are only these 5 for dollar. 100, 20, 10, 5 and 1.
Once my friend told me that there's a rare dollar and it's a $2 bill.
Yeah,
So anyways, that is a rare one, so you will not have it.
I have it.
Hands down. Hands down. Don't kill your opportunity to learn. Okay? So, even if, see, there might be bills, but those are rare. We are not talking about rare ones. We are talking about the general ones that we see every day. Now, when you have to break any number, everybody here, Praneeth, Sohita here on the board. Now, always look at this as a number system, and you can put a wall here. Wherever you have a decimal, you put a wall saying this side is cents and this side is dollar. Okay? So this is my formula. Okay? Whatever I had, 785.69, that point I made a line. Meaning this side of the line is dollar, this side of the line is cents. Okay? Now, here if you look at this side of the dollar, you have 785. How you can get 700? You don't have to break your head. It's simple. 700. 700. That's it. First one is done. 80. 80 is what? 8 tenths. 8 tenths. See, this is a place value thing, right? 80 is 8 tenths. Then you have a 5. That is 5 units. Now you put a dollar here. This is done. You don't have to kind of do any research to find this out. Yeah? 780, 8 tens, 5 ones. Okay? Dollar part is done. Now, here 100, why you want to waste your energy trying to break this? You have $100 bill, give it, done. Now, 8 tens. You know that you can give 8 tens or 420. You can choose. You are fine with 8 tens also, but you can see, okay, fine. Instead of giving 8 $10 bill, I can give 4 $20 bill, which is just double of it. Yeah? So this 10 is done. Now 5 ones. Why to worry? Just take 5 $1 bill, done. Yeah? Now when you're looking at 69, see 69, now you look at one table that you will never remember, but you need to. 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 2 is 50, 25 times 3 is 75, 25 times 4 is 100. This everybody knows. Even if you don't remember the table of 25, 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 2 is 50, 25 times 3 is 75, 25 times 4 is 100. Meaning, if you have to give 25, you will give 1 quarter. If you have to give 50, you will give 2 quarters. If you have to give 75, you will give 3 quarters. Okay? Yeah, Sarita, you had a question.
Telling the answer of the 69.
Okay?
This two quarters and 1 dime.
2 quarters makes it 50 cents. 1 dime makes it 10 more. That is 60. You need how much more? 9 more. Then
One more dime.
no, so if you do 1 more dime, that will be 2 dimes, that will make it 70. 50 plus 20. You don't need 70, you need 69. Right? So you will go with 1 dime. 1 dime will make it 10. So 50 plus 10, 60. Now you need 9 more. How do you get 9? You can put 1 nickel. That gives you 5. So 50 plus 10, 60 plus 5, 65. You need 4 more. What will you do with 4 more? For 4 more? 4 pennies? Yeah? So 4 pennies. That gives you 4 more. So 50 plus 1, 10, 60 plus 5, 65 plus 4, 69. You're done.
Or either you could do 9 pennies.
You can do either you can do 9 pennies also. That also works. Or other option you have is, look at this, 69 is 6 tens. 6 into 10 make 10 dimes. 6 into 10. So 6 dimes and then 9 pennies also you can do. Look at this like a place value thing, 69. So 9 units, so 9 pennies and 6 dimes. That makes it 60. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sohita?
I can understand it.
I'm sorry?
I can understand.
You can understand? So this is simple. Now, what did I say? I said that you have $785.69. $785 you took care. Now you have 69 cents. Right? 69. When you look at 69, what does it have? 60 and 9? Yeah?
69.
69 has what? 60 and 9?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's like when you're adding or subtracting the 9s and 1s, that's kind of in
Right?
and 9 is kind of like in money because there's like 9 pennies meaning 9 ones,
Right.
6 dimes meaning 6.
Yeah.
6
So
tens.
let me explain this to Sohita. Let me understand. I think Praneeth you understood. I'm just trying to confirm with Sohita also. Yeah, Sohita. So if I have 69, I can say 60 and 9. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is 60 and this is 9. How do you get 60? 60 has 6 tens, right?
Yeah.
What is a 10? This is a dime. So if you put 6 dimes, that makes it 60 cents. And then you need 9 more cents. You can put 9 pennies.
Penny.
Yeah? You done? So look at this like a place value thing, okay? This side I said, okay. So now, this time nobody has to solve it. Can I have your attention please? For God's sake. God is asking me to have your attention. Yeah? Okay. Now, let's look at this problem. And everybody keep your videos on, okay? If I say 868.73, what did I say? Wherever you have a decimal, you put a wall here. You put a wall here. Okay, here, everybody here. 868.73. This point I put a wall. Saying this side of the wall is dollar and this side of the wall is cent. Yeah? Now, look at the dollar side. This is 868. 800. 6 tenths. 8 units. Here, everybody here. You here. Yeah? 800, 6 tenths and 8 units. That's it. I will put a dollar here. Meaning I need 8 $100 bill, 6 $10 bill, 8 $1 bill. My dollar side is done. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good? Clear? Are you clear?
Yes. Do you have a tissue, sir?
Not here in the classroom. Okay. So I don't have it right now. So just manage with it for a little bit. Now dollar is taken care. Now I have cents. Cents again. I forget about whatever you did here. Look at this side. So you have 73. What do you need? 7, 10 and 3, 1. Correct? So I'll say 7, 10 cents and 3, 1 cent. Now every 10 cent is called a dime. So 7 into dime. Yeah? And 3 cents. So 3 into cents. 3 pennies. Yeah?
Yeah.
So don't complicate it by thinking too much. Look at this like a place value thing. Okay? You just have to put a wall wherever you have 45.32. You know that where your wall is going to be. Your wall is going to be here. This side of the wall is dollar. This side of the wall is cent. That's it. And then 45. What you will do? 4 times 10 and 5 times 1. 4 times $10, 4 times $1. Sorry, 5 times $1. Dollar is done. 30 is 3 times 10 and 2 times 1. And this, remember this 10 cents is a dime, 1 cent is a penny. Done. Is it making sense?
Yep. Yep.
So are you with me? Now I don't know whether I was able to explain everybody or not. And the only way I can confirm that is by giving you guys one problem to solve right now. And I want everybody to be right. If everybody does it right, that means I did a good job. If anybody makes a mistake, that means either I did not do a good job or you did not pay attention. Let's try solving one. So, okay, everybody here. Praneeth, keep your video on better. Now, you went to Walmart to buy a toy. Okay? The price of the toy is $36.79. The price of the toy is $36.79. Tell me, how will you pay this money without using credit card? What are the bills that you will use?
This is a
Yes, do it.
Maybe we can do 1 times 20, one $20 and one $10.
Okay. Okay. Then.
And one $10.
Yeah.
And then we can do one $5 and one $1.
Okay. Then. I'll come to you later. Let Praneeth complete. Yeah.
And we can do 6 dimes and six. No, actually not dimes. Wait. What if we can do two?
So you do one thing, Praneeth. You write it down. Once you are clear with your calculation, then you tell me. Yeah.
So I'd rather do 2 times 25.
Okay.
2 quarters and two dimes and 3 pennies.
Three pennies. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
You get
Huh?
$30.
$30.
Yeah. And then
So you don't have a $30 bill. So what will you give? We don't have $30 bill, right? We have $10 or $20. So what will you give?
3 $10
Three $10. Okay.
and $6.
Six $1. Okay.
Answer.
Okay. I'm coming to you then. Just give me a minute.
And 7 cents
7 dime. Okay.
and 9 pennies.
Okay. So see. Yeah. Sarita. Yeah. Praneeth.
I think I would do. No, actually, I did correct. I was wrong. I got wrong.
Okay. I'll come to you, Praneeth. Let me hear what Sarita has to say. Yes, Sarita.
3 $10.
Okay. Then.
6 $1.
Okay.
Is 0.7 dimes.
0.7 times?
Yes.
Why 0.7 times? There is nothing called 0.7 times. How many times you have to wait? I'll come to you. There is no 0.7 times. It's a coin.
I just did 36 by.
Right. No, so I'm saying it will not be 0.7 time. Like I said, here is a wall. So 79. 79 is 7, 10, and 9, 1. This is cent. So 10 cents is what? It will be 7 dime. This is a dime.
Yeah, I told that.
Yeah, you said 0.7. That's why I was saying that it's not 0.7. You give 7 dimes. 7 those 10 cent coin. I'll come to you. You have to wait. And then
And 9 pennies.
9 pennies. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
So 10 of
Read it for me. Read it.
10 times 3, 30.
$10 bill 3 times. Okay.
Yeah. And $5 bill 1 time.
Okay.
$1 1 time.
Okay.
Then quarters 7 times.
7 quarters.
7 quarters.
7 quarters. Okay.
And 9 pennies.
9 pennies. So here look at this. 7 quarter. 1 quarter is 25 cents. You are not saying quarters. You are saying dime. Yes. Right. So here Now, I got two types of answers, okay? And I like both of them. First answer is this one, these two, like what we got from Rehan and Sohita. This is right. Because we actually got three types of answers, okay? So one type is this one, the simple one. And I like simple ones, okay? Because you don't really have to break your head. You just put this number, look at how many tens, how many units, and then on the cent side, how many tens, how many units. And you did it, right? 3 tens, 6 units, 7 dimes, 9 pennies. Done. So these are simple ones. Now, you look at this approach that you gave. Here also, this also is fine. Because you will not always get straight calculation. Sometimes you have to deal with different bills also. So, you said that I will use $3 $10, one $5, that makes it 30 plus 5, 35, and then $1 makes it 36. And then 7 dimes and 9 pennies. Then I also got one interesting answer from Praneeth. Praneeth said I will use one $20 bill. So he is breaking his calculation, okay? That okay, I'll use one big currency and then one $10, that makes it 30. Then one $5, one $1, that makes it 36. So this is also fine. This is also correct. Now, here there is one problem that I see. Praneeth said 2 quarters, that makes it 25 into 50. Then 2 dimes, makes it 50 plus 2, 70. And then 3. This 3 will not work. You have to have 9. Because
Oh yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I was saying for. Then I thought.
right. Now since you guys have given your options, I will give my option also.
I was supposed to. Okay, you said.
No, I got your point. So basically this is what you missed, okay? But your breakdown was perfect. You were thinking the right direction. Now, after all the kids have given their option, as a teacher, I am also giving one option because I do more shopping than you guys do, right? So, if I have to arrange this money, I will probably go with one $20, that makes it 20. Then one $10, that makes it 30. One $5, that makes it 35. Then one $1, that makes it 36. This is done. Now 79, I know that every quarter has 25 cents. I will do 3 quarters. That makes it 25 times 3, 75. 3 into 25 into 25 is 75. So I will do 3 quarters. That makes it 75. And then do 4 pennies. Done. So this is another option. I'm not saying any of the options are right or wrong. I'm saying this could be another option depending on what all coins you are carrying with you. Yeah?
Yeah,